Hey, how's it going? I'm Cabron, and today I'm here to bring you a new video about what's happening in artificial intelligence. Yeah, because honestly, artificial intelligence has been bringing us some amazing things lately, and the one I have for you today is top tier. You know that feeling of wanting to try it out, right? Artificial intelligence and create images or videos, but all the tools ask for a credit card before letting you do anything? You get that feeling sometimes, don't you, right? Well, today I want to show you one that doesn't do that. It's called Krea, and honestly, it's like having Photoshop, a mid-journey style image generator, an AI video editor, and a ton of other tools, all packed into a single website. And the best part is, it has a free plan that's actually useful for learning and playing around. Let's go, if that sounds good. To check it out, let's see it from the inside, okay? Krea is basically an all-in-one for creative artificial intelligence. Instead of having to go to one site to generate an image, another to make a video, and another to improve the quality of an old photo, an old picture, here you have everything in one place. Inside Krea, you're going to find several main tools. Okay, image to generate images from text. Video, okay, look at image. Okay, video to generate. Video clips with artificial intelligence enhancer, which is basically to improve the quality and resolution of your photos or videos. Edit, which is an editor where you can erase objects, change backgrounds, change someone's clothes, and so on. And real time, which is awesome, okay? Because it's one of the craziest things I've seen. It generates images while you draw in real time. Insane. Plus, it doesn't just use one AI brain. It lets you choose from dozens of different models. Stuff from Google, from OpenAI, from Kling, from ByteDance. Well, each with its own strengths. It's like having several AIs in the same place. Let's start with the basics. We're going to go to image, for example. Let's click on image, and well, here I see the models I can choose from. Okay, for example, let's choose, the medium. Let's choose the medium. Come on, let's go with this one. And what I'm going to ask it for, well, I don't know, anything. Okay, I'll type what I want to see and see if it does it for me. For example, let's just put, I don't know, maybe something, anything really that comes to mind right now. I want to, just see what happens. To make a simple, someone who is actually a fan of FC Barcelona, the famous football club, kissing a fan of Real Madrid. If it makes this, you'll flip, If it makes this, you'll just flip. We could even add illustration, type of illustration. Okay? Minimalist or whatever you want. Style. I'm going to put cartoon, okay? Let's hit enter. Let's see what it generates. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what it creates, because I think it's hard, honestly. Look. How wonderful. How wonderful, huh? How wonderful. Wow, look, we have this one, for example. This one. That's crazy. Eyebrows. I mean, it's just insane. Look. It creates it, huh? It creates it. It's very interesting. Honestly, it's blown my mind. It's blown my mind. The interesting thing here is that it doesn't just generate, and that's it, okay? You can rectify things, edit things okay? You can ask it to keep certain elements, upload an image of me as a reference so that, for example, the AI copies that style. Okay, this last one is one of the craziest things I like about Krea. The mood boards thing, okay? Where you can put several images together. Here you can give it several images. And they're reference images, so the AI understands exactly the aesthetic you're looking for. Isn't it incredible? It's very cool, okay? We can also go to the video part. In the video part, you can describe a video, and it will make it for you. You can generate short clips, long ones, or whatever you want, okay? I don't know. Let's see, wait. Let's try to have it make us a video. I don't know if it'll do it for me for free just like that. Okay? I want you to make a Barcelona fan kissing a Real Madrid fan in cartoon style. Let's try. Let's see if it does it for us. Okay, no, this is too much now, huh? It's too much, huh? Here it's like, for today, it'll let me take more photos, but it won't let me make video. Okay, I see. We could use a cheaper style, maybe the basic one, well, whatever. I'm not going to get bogged down now in showing more things. You can keep practicing, you can keep doing things, okay? There are models designed for cinematic movement, others that add synchronized audio, even some that let you put a start frame and an end one. And the AI fills in the movement in between. I mean, it's amazing. iBronze, it creates small scenes without touching a camera. It's crazy, right? And then there's the edit, as I mentioned before. Okay, the edit, which is more for, well, uploading a photo and retouching it. Okay, removing objects. I don't know, or text from an image, changing the background, changing the hairstyle, someone's clothes, okay? Colorizing old black and white photos, everything. You can edit here and do it in a much more visual way than, for example, in Photoshop, where for those who haven't mastered it, well, honestly, it'll be much easier to do things here. And here comes the important question. What can you learn about AI in Krea without spending money? First, Krea gives you free credits every so often, and several models are completely free or very cheap in credits. Things like Flux, Quinn, Zeta Image, for example. That means you can spend hours generating images just to understand how this works and really trying is how you learn. I mean, trying is how you really learn. So I recommend it 100%. You can learn about prompting, okay? Learning to write descriptions that actually achieve what you imagine. This is a skill that works for any truly generative AI, okay? Not just with Krea. Differences between models. By trying the same prompt on different free models, you understand why some are better for photorealism and others for illustration or design, for example. What non-destructive editing is, using the edit tools to remove objects or change backgrounds, you understand the logic of how the AI fills in parts of an image. You can also animate images. Okay, honestly, it's absolutely crazy. The initial frame, movement, consistency, everything. For you, I recommend you play around with it. Okay, and if in the end there comes a point where you like it, you say, well, I'll do it. Look at this one, for example, a pig with make me a straw pig. Well, there you go, bam, straw pig. It's very good, okay? Without paying anything, you have plenty of ground to understand how a generative AI thinks, what makes it fail, and how to get better results with attempts. I'm telling you, it seems spectacular to me. There are some very, very good things. I hope and wish that you liked the video, okay? Smash that like button because you helped me a lot if it was useful. The comments, okay? Comment image or video what you want me to try in the next one. And we'll see each other in the next video. You know, I'm Krea, and I'm at your disposal.